The Sustainable Development Goals established by the United Nations in 2015 are a universal call to action to end poverty, protect the planet, and ensure the prosperity for all by the year 2030. A total of 17 interconnect goals aim to address various global challenges that we face today. Among these goals is Sustainable Development Goal number 7. It stands out for its focus on ensuring access to affordable, reliable, sustainable, and modern energy for all. This goal aims to transform the global energy landscape by promoting energy efficiency and the adoption of renewable energy resources, thus driving progress across all other SDGs and fostering a sustainable and greener future.
I am Johannes Emmanuel A. Claus, the Project Manager of StrivingSpark, Solutions for Sustainable Energy. As a Project Manager, it is my responsibility to ensure overall accessibility and effectiveness of the program. I make sure that we, as developers of this innovation, would properly observe the project's main objectives. The Sustainable Development Goal number 7. Moreover, we are dedicated to providing an innovation that would benefit mobile phone users in the way of advocating responsible and proper energy consumption, as well as promoting the use of renewable and clean energy.
I am Luandro E. Gutierrez, the programmer of StrivingSpark. As the programmer of this project, I was in charge of developing the system behind the program's interface as well as its main functions. It is my responsibility to make sure that the program runs properly and that the features were to be accessible to its users.
I am Marian Jason Amanala, the System Analyst 1 of the project StrivingSpark Solution for Sustainable Energy. My tasks involve assessing, maintaining, and improving the design of our program. I make sure that our developers remain focused on the main goals of the project. My responsibility includes monitoring the system, operating, locating, and fixing problems, and occasionally doing troubleshooting.
I'm Arish Clarpi Andal, the System Analyst 2 of the project StrivingSpark Solution for the Sustainable Energy. It is also my responsibility to analyze, maintain, and improve the design of our program. I make sure that we developers of this innovation would properly observe the project's main objective. We system analysts also manage the system workflow, diagnose and detect malfunctions, and sometimes perform troubleshooting.
The StrivingSpark Solutions for Sustainable Energy aims to cover the importance of Sustainable Development Goal 7, affordable and clean energy. This project is aligned with the said goal wherein it ensures that each individual has access to affordable, reliable, sustainable, and clean energy. It presents various features regarding proper and responsible energy consumptions and promotes using renewable energy resources that will benefit its users. This application is an innovation that is easily accessible to thousands of internet and smartphone users. In addition to that, it is a multi-purpose application that primarily educates users on energy efficiency. This project is developed to promote and spread awareness about the significance of proper energy conservation in every household. This application also estimates the average energy consumption of every individual through its online electric meter. Moreover, this project encourages users to adopt the use of eco-friendly appliances and devices that could minimize their average energy consumption. Another significant feature of StrivingSpark it provides relevant information from a variety of sources which could act as an online library and discusses everything that is covered by SDG number 7. Through its features, StrivingSpark truly strives to foster an interactive environment for its user in their journey towards sustainability. Through StrivingSpark, solutions for sustainable energy are being empowered and promoted for a brighter and greener future.
This is our project objective. StrivingSpark aim to fulfill first, increase awareness of sustainable energy, to properly educate and inform the user about the importance of affordable and clean energy, promoting energy efficiency and sustainable through interactive and digital technology. The second one is provide energy consumption monitoring, to provide user with tools such as online electronics consumption calculator to estimate and monitor their average energy consumption. The third is to promote adoption of eco-friendly appliances, to encourage users to adopt and use energy efficient or eco-friendly appliances and devices, reducing overall energy consumption and environmental impact. Fourth is to provide comprehensive resources and information, to provide relevant information and resources on sustainable energy from various credible sources, supporting users in their quest for knowledge and sustainable practices. And the last one for objective is to foster an interactive community for sustainability, to create an engaging and interactive platforms that support users in sharing strategies for sustainable energy use, thereby building a community committed to achieving a brighter and greener future.
StrivingSpark has an objective that emphasizes on the importance of access to sustainable and clean energy. Therefore, it is equipped with the features that is interconnected to the Sustainable Development Goal number 7, affordable and clean energy. What we see here is the main page or startup page of the program. It presents the official logo of StrivingSpark as well as its motto, Solutions for Sustainable Energy. Together with those are several elements which include 3 main buttons with the following titles. Energy Calculator. This button leads to the first feature of the program that calculates the estimated cost based on the energy consumption of the certain device or appliance. My energy consumption. This button leads to the second feature of the program, wherein it provides various information regarding your monthly energy consumption. Lastly, turning green. This button leads the user to a different page that discusses the different renewable energy sources in the Philippines. Under the startup page is also the QR code which directs the user to a digital library that presents various articles about Sustainable Development Goal number 7. In order to execute it, the user must scan the given QR code or through clicking the given QR code. Take note that this is a mobile application. Therefore, it is easily accessible through our packets. Upon examining its interface, its main theme is inspired by the colors designated by the SDG number 7, which are bright yellow orange. In this portion, we will be demonstrating the key features of the program. The first feature, the energy calculator, enables the user to have an overview on how much energy is consumed in every appliance he or she uses, as well as its estimated cost. The user just needs to select their preferred device or appliance, and the program will automatically input a certain value which represents the appliance power in watts, which can also be customized by the user himself. Then, the user must input the usage which is measured in hours per day, and the charge per kilowatt hour in peso. After entering the desired values, a table of values will appear presenting the electricity consumed per day, per week, and per month, as well as its estimated cost. Take note that these are just estimated values. The second feature, My Energy Consumption, presents a variety of information for the user based on their monthly electric consumption. First, the user must input their electricity consumption for the month. Upon clicking Next, 3 figures will appear below indicating the percentage of the energy the user has consumed for the month on which a single wind turbine has been generated. The second figure shows how much 265-watt solar panels shall be installed in the user's home to cater all of the energy consumption for the month. Lastly, the last figure presents the range of how much the user needs to pay their energy bill. The third feature, Turning Green, is an informative portion of the program. This portion introduces the user to SDG number 7, as well as to the most common renewable energy sources here in the Philippines. According to the Department of Energy of the Philippines, geothermal energy is the most common renewable energy source, followed by hydro, wind, and solar. Upon clicking to the figures displayed, a box would appear on the bottom part of the page. Upon clicking to the figures displayed, a box would appear on the bottom part of the page, stating how much gigawatt-hour the renewable energy source has generated from the year 2022.
The Sustainable Development Goal number 7 encompasses the policies, strategies, and action that ensure to access affordable, reliable, and sustainable and modern energy for all. The United Nations Environment Programme stated that there are several targets under this goal. The first target includes that by 2030, there would be universal access to affordable, reliable, and modern energy services. The second target aims that there would be an increased share of renewable energy in the global energy mix. Lastly, the third target expects that the global improvement rate for energy efficiency will be doubled. In conclusion, achievement of the 7th Sustainable Development Goal is an important key to building a sustainable future. With that, efforts from the government, private industries, and society is necessary to further fulfill the said targets and goals. By committing to the principles and sustainability, reliability, and modernity in energy access, our world can drive progress towards a more sustainable and peaceful future.